Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll look at the final steps in making glazed donuts, their legacy, and why this simple treat continues to delight people around the world. The aroma hits you long before you see it, a comforting blend of yeast, sugar, and warm oil. It's the smell of pure happiness, often found radiating from a cardboard box or a bakery counter. The glazed donut is a simple pleasure, yet few treats can match its ability to spark immediate joy. With its perfect golden ring and signature sugary sheen, this donut is a universally loved classic. It doesn't rely on sprinkles, fancy fillings, or exotic toppings. Its appeal lies in its elegant simplicity. This video explores the components and processes that make the glazed donut such a special, enduring favorite. The sweet science: what makes glazed donuts so delicious? While the ingredients for a glazed donut are straightforward: flour, yeast, egg, sugar, oil, and glaze, the magic lies in how those basic elements work together. The resulting texture and flavor profile are unique. Biting into a fresh one delivers a distinct and unforgettable experience. You get a slight pull from the exterior, followed by a light, airy collapse in your mouth. A look at the dough: light, fluffy, and just right. The foundation of any great glazed donut is its yeast-raised dough. This is the secret mechanism behind the incredible fluffiness. Unlike cake donuts, which rely on baking soda or powder for lift, yeast donuts get their volume from natural fermentation. This process introduces subtle, often slightly tangy, flavors that balance the sweetness. The dough itself is kneaded and allowed to rest and rise, a process known as proofing. Proper proofing is absolutely essential. If the dough doesn't proof correctly, the final donut will be dense and heavy, missing that signature airy lightness. During proofing, the yeast produces gas bubbles, stretching the gluten strands and creating hundreds of tiny air pockets. When the dough hits the hot oil, these pockets expand rapidly, guaranteeing a tender interior. A quality glazed donut should feel almost weightless in your hand. The glaze magic: transforming sugar into a shiny coat. The glaze is the second, equally important component. It transforms a simple fried dough ring into the classic treat we adore. This coating is traditionally made from just powdered sugar, liquid, milk or water, and sometimes a hint of vanilla extract for depth. The mixture is thick but pourable. The true transformation happens when the warm donut meets the glaze. Dipping a hot donut into the cool glaze causes a rapid chemical reaction. The warmth of the dough melts the innermost layer of sugar, allowing it to adhere perfectly to the surface. As the sugar cools, it solidifies into a thin, white, crackly shell. This shell provides a delicate texture contrast against the soft dough. The careful balance is key. The glaze supplies most of the intense sweetness, which prevents the dough itself from becoming cloyingly sweet. The contrast keeps you reaching for another bite. From deep fryer to delight, how glazed donuts are made. Making a glazed donut is a delicate dance between time, temperature, and technique. From mixing the dough to applying the final sheen, every step matters. Understanding this assembly line reveals why fresh donuts taste so much better. Shaping and frying: the key to the golden ring. Once the yeast dough has doubled in size after proofing, it is gently punched down and rolled out. Dough cutters then press the dough into perfect ring shapes. These rings are transferred to screens or trays for a final, short proofing period. The glazed donut remains a timeless classic, delivering sweetness and texture in every bite. Enjoy this treat and appreciate the craft behind it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.